Hello everyone, my name is Jane Wong. I'm Product Manager for Microsoft Database and Collaboration Solutions from the CPSD division. I'm here to talk about Dell EMC Ready Bundle for Microsoft SQL. We'll start with the industry trends, new capabilities of SQL Server 2016, what Dell EMC Ready Bundle for SQL is, and what problems it solves. Then how to use the system builder to configure the Ready Bundle. Digital transformation is one of the key strategies for many organizations today. A recent Gartner survey indicated the majority of the CEO and CIO interviewed said their companies have a digital transformation strategy. More and more organizations recognize that data is the new electricity. It could retain customers, improve customer relationship, increase revenue, and create a competitive advantage. SQL Server 2016 brings about groundbreaking new capabilities to help customers with their data needs. SQL Server 2016 is now the leader in Gartner Magic Quadrant for mission-critical database, or OLTP. It is the most secure database 6 years in a row, according to the National Institute of Standards and Technology. It has created record-breaking performance for data warehousing, or OLAP workload. It also has the mobile BI solutions for all major mobile platforms without additional charge. SQL Server also has the in-memory R and Polybase built in, so customers can perform advanced analytics for structured and unstructured data real-time. SQL Server is also the most consistent data platform on-premises and in the cloud. Last but not least, unlike competitive platforms, these great capabilities are built in the SQL Server license without customers incurring additional cost. We can solve customer problems in these scenarios: database consolidation, security and productivity enhancement, performance improvement, and net new apps enablement. These are customers who are building new applications that require new database solutions. Target customers can also be segmented into 3 groups: upgrade, migrate, and new customers. Upgrade customers are those who currently use older versions of SQL Server. Migrate are those using competitive data platforms such as Oracle Database. New customers are those running new apps. The first group is the low-hanging fruit. 55% of the SQL Server installed base is still running SQL Server 2005, according to Spiceworks, for which the extended support ended by Microsoft in April 2016. Legacy databases are expensive to maintain. They're non-compliant and vulnerable to security threats. SQL Upgrade represents a tremendous business opportunity. The hardware for Dell installed base alone is about 2.6 billion. Our primary targets are medium to large customers for on-premises implementations with previous versions of SQL, especially SQL Server 2005. We also have smaller-sized solutions, by the way, because these customers have higher propensity to move to the cloud. They're not our primary targets. For many customers who are on legacy infrastructure, the upgrade is often a forklift endeavor. Oftentimes, they don't know how to size it, or what to buy, or even where to buy. They're keen to remove performance bottleneck and sensitive about time to value. Dell EMC Ready Bundle for Microsoft SQL simplifies the implementation process for customers. It's an expert-designed and validated solution following best practices of the industry. It provides faster time to value and reduces risk for customers. Some of the key benefits of the Ready Bundle. First, superior performance with faster transaction or query processing. Second, significant cost saving. This is achieved through a combination of hardware resource consolidation and SQL Server licensing saving. Third, faster time to value. Ready Bundle shortens design cycle and reduces risks. Last but not least, future-ready scalability. This is achieved through Windows Server and SQL Server 2016 in combination with Dell EMC's 13G 2-socket and 4-socket servers. We've done some performance study and produced the following claims. For customers looking to upgrade their legacy databases, the Dell EMC PowerEdge R730 infrastructure running Microsoft SQL Server 2016 when compared to R710 running Microsoft SQL Server 2005 supports up to 2.7x transactions per second, 4x active dataset, 4x user load, delivers up to 75% rack space savings, delivers 44% energy savings. For customers, it's a natural step to consolidate when upgrading legacy databases to gain efficiency. For consolidation, Dell EMC produces 4-to-1 consolidation factors for large workload profiles, 8-to-1 for medium, and 16-to-1 for small. This will not only save power, rack space, but also reduce administration and maintenance cost, not to mention the SQL Server license cost. Let's take a close look at the Ready Bundle following the customer journey, starting from design. We have selected most appropriate hardware and done architectural design and validation for various use cases. For deployment, we have pro-deploy services. If customers need data migration, we also have SQL consulting services. For post-implementation, we have 24/7 pro support services. For the design part, we have developed a system builder to help the salespeople configure the right bundle dynamically based on customer requirements. I will do a live demo later. Let me first give you a quick overview about what the system builder is and how it works. System Builder is a web-based interactive tool. It will ask users questions, and based on the answers, it will then produce a recommended configuration. You can get there from the global landing page using the URL. You can also get there from inside the quotation system, OSC, by clicking on the Solution Advisor from the top menu bar. Once you are in the System Builder global landing page, you can select your country. We selected US here. Then you will see the 11-step questions. To answer this on your customer's behalf, you would need to gather customer requirements first. At the end of the Q&A session, you will get a recommended configuration with a solution ID. You will also get a PDF document with your input summary and configuration details of the recommended solution. Please download this file to keep record. You can take the solution ID and input into the OSC. You will then be able to retrieve the pre-populated bill of materials for your recommended solution. I will do a live demo about how to use it. We also have configuration guides that provide step-by-step guidance about how to use the system builder. We currently have the system builder for top 12 countries globally. For the countries without the system builder, you can still use another country's system builder to get the recommended configuration in a PDF file and use the details in the PDF file to configure in your country's OSC manually. Pricing. The system builder can produce any size within the predefined range. I provided 3 examples here only to give you a frame of reference with some ballpark price. I also have some guidance for you regarding pricing. First, start with the system builder. It will help you ask customers the right questions and reduce quotation time. SQL Ready Bundle comes with storage and SAN switches as well as LAN networking. It's a great opportunity to increase revenue. The solution is also fully loaded with rich configurations, therefore the margin percentage is very high. You can also upsell Pro Deploy and Pro Support Plus services. We also offer out-of-factory OEM licensing for both SQL Server and Windows Server 2016. If customers prefer volume licensing, they can buy from Dell Software and Peripherals division. Lastly, reduce discount. We have provided design and sizing for free, for which customers normally would have to pay if they go through a services firm. We shouldn't have to discount further on the hardware. We're near the end of this session. We have some technical and marketing resources available at Sales Edge and Dell.com e-community. Please search for SQL Server 2016 Ready Bundle to find those assets. Hello everyone. Thank you for your time. Please reach out to me if you have questions. With that, we conclude this training session. Thank you again.